Next concept. Equations reducible to the linear form. Let us see one example. This is an equation, but to solve this, we are not having this in our normal or usual form. This has to be reduced to our known linear form. How to do? Let us see. Now, if we observe, on the denominator we have 2x plus 3. So, let us multiply both the sides with 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3, with this we will multiply x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to 3 by 8, 2x plus 3. We are multiplying. Why? So that these two will get cancelled and we are left with x plus 1. That is only numerator. So we are left with x plus 1 equal to 3 by 8 into 2x plus 3. Next, we have 8 as denominator. So let us multiply with 8 on both the sides, here and here. Concept is simple. Here we want to remove this denominator. So 8 and 8 will get cancelled. We are left with 8 into x plus 1 equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. Now, this is our normal equation in linear form. Rest of the things we know, we can directly solve it and we can get the value of x. But is this only the process or any other shortcut method is there? Let us observe this. Now, in this, we can transpose this 8 to this side and we can transpose this to other side. If we do this, then also we will get the same linear equation. Let us try that. Now, see. Here, let us transpose this 8 to this side. When we transpose, this is division. So, when it goes to this side, it will become multiplication. So, x plus 1, this 8 to this side. So, 8 into x plus 1, then equal to 3 into this x plus 3. This 8 to this side, this 2x plus 3 to other side. This is in the denominator, that is division. When it goes to other side, division will become multiplication. So 3 into multiplied by 2x plus 3. Same value, 8 into x plus 1 equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. This way also we can do. Rest of the thing let us do. Let us expand this. 8 into x, 8x plus 8 into 1, 8 equal to 3 into 2x, 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Now 8x, 6x. We know this process now. 8x, 6x to this side, transposing, plus will become minus, minus 6x, 9, this 8 to other side, minus 8, 8 minus 6, 2x equal to 9 minus 8, 1, and x equal to 1 by 2. We know this 2 to other side, 1 by 2. We got the x as 1 by 2. Let us do checking. We got the x value as 1 by 2. Now, x plus 1, that is numerator. In place of x, we are going to put 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. That is simple. So, 1 by 2 plus, we can write this as 2 by 2. That is 2 as LCM. 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 2. We know this. Now, denominator 2x plus 3. that is 2 into x, 1 by 2 plus 3. 2 get cancelled, remaining is 1 plus 3, that is 4. LHS x plus 1 by 2x plus 3. In place of x plus 1, we will be writing 3 by 2 divided by 2x plus 3 is 4, that is 3 by 2 divided by 4. So this can be written as 3 by 2 divided by 4 can be written as into reciprocal of 4, that is 1 by 4. Whenever we have divided by some number, instead of that we can take it as multiplied by reciprocal of 4, that is 1 by 4. So we will be multiplying with 1 by 4. 3 into 1 3, 2 4s are 8, that is 3 by 8. So our solution is correct.